This is routine 0 video. Here is the routine that it's running. It first puts values in the colored list. At offset 0, it puts 900. Offset 1, 9. At offset 2, 90. And offset 3, 990. Well, these are the color values for down here, the red, the blue, the green, and the yellow. Well, we can go to data and see that it put these values in the color list. I'll go up here and say data. Color is a work list. I'll click on work list. And down here, I'll click on color. And here we see it put 900 in first position, which is offset 0. Then 9, 90, and 990. That's where it put the color values. We'll end data and come back. The next thing it does, it sets the rotation control register to 0, the size control register to 160, the XY position to 700, 200. That's the center of the circles here. That is 700, 200. Then it says, go get the given pattern 0 and put it in a list called pattern. Well, what we can do is leave the program and go down here to patterns and set number 1 of patterns. We see 0 is a circle. That is, given pattern 0 is a circle. We'll go back to the program. It says it's putting that given pattern into this list called pattern. Well, let's go to data. That's a work list. And it's this one called pattern. And here we see there is a pattern. It says it has 25 values in it. So that's the given pattern it went to get. We'll turn the data back off again and we'll continue on. Then it goes into a for next loop for I of 0 to I of 3, one at a time. It's going to go around 4 times for 0, 1, 2, and 3. Each time it goes around, it's going to take the pattern and make it into a dots list. That is a dots list that can be used for a polyfill, which is right down here. But before it does the fill, it sets the color to the ith color. First I will be 0, so it'll be the color 900. Next it will be 90, then it'll go to 9, then 90, then 990. So it's going to change color every time it goes around, right before it does the polygon fill. Now, each time it goes around, it subtracts 40 from the size control register. That's why the red one is way out here, and the blue one only goes to here, and the green to here, and the yellow to here. Because each time it changed the size by 40. So that the size had started at 160, then it was 120, then 80, and then 40. So it keeps changing in size. Now something you should know is that when it made the red circle was this whole area. But then it put the blue circle on top of it and it was a little smaller, but it was the whole area. Then the green the same. And the yellow, well, it's exactly the way it was. Nothing went on top of it. Well, this is the routine 0 video.